Again. Hey, raise your hand or clap for Ethan if you enjoyed his daily message yesterday. I love that he took a chance and did that for us. I would love for another student to volunteer to give us a daily message, maybe for tomorrow or Friday or next Monday. Maybe Mondays could be a student daily message. I'd love to have more daily messages from students than from me. I'm tired of videoing myself, but I will do it if I have to. Um, please, 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 really think about the quality of work that you're turning in. I'm getting concerned about what I'm seeing, to be honest. I see that we're kind of getting in our groove, we're getting more comfortable. Today, more than any day, pay attention to the slides and what I'm asking you to do. I'm intentionally mixing it up because I think kids are getting too comfortable. And again, back to the quality of work, I'm seeing kids type I, the word I with the lowercase I. We know that's not how you write I. I see kids that aren't capitalizing letters correctly, words correctly, that we're really kind of losing focus on the quality of our work. So, if nothing else, please walk away with uh, the goal to have quality work turned in today. This is all for you, boys and girls. We're getting you ready for third and fourth grade. And I'm worried for some of you, but we have a whole 4 weeks left of remote learning. Step it up, challenge yourself, do your best. This is for you. It's not for me. It's not for your parents, not for your guardians. It's for you. So do your best. And again, I'd love to have a student email me and say, I'd love to do the daily message. That would be fun. And thanks again, Ethan. You did a rocking job. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.